Hello everyone, thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Huawei MediaPad M5 Lite. It's 10.1 inch display. I think it's IPS display. Yeah, and it's 3 GB of RAM. And where does it say that? Yeah, it's 3 GB of RAM, and the color is space gray. I don't know if the focus can come up there. Yeah, 32 GB and 3 GB of RAM. Basically, it's just a 2 GB of storage. It has micro SD storage expansion. I don't know how large it can get, but I'm thinking around maybe 128 28 gigabytes. We're gonna find out later on anyways in the review. This is just an unboxing. I've watched only one review, or well, two reviews from the same person of this MediaPad. There's not a lot of videos out there, and I thought I'd give it a try because I thought this is a very good a good buy. This is partnered with Haman Kadon. So I just got this from Argos today. It cost me £269. So basically around £270. I haven't got the pen yet because apparently the pen is meant to work with this, the Huawei M5 pen Lite. I think that's what it's called. It should be. Yeah, it's a mouthful anyway. So I just got this from Argos today, £270, and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. And I've got my trusty knife to help me with this. There are not a lot of videos out there, and I really liked it because I was looking for something nice and affordable and good as well, and I didn't want to get the Samsung because that was just too expensive. The A tab or the what's it called, or the S4 tab or S3, they're just too pricey, so I just got this one anyway. So I'm gonna start by knifing it open. I'm gonna show you how it looks like anyways. It's surprisingly small, 10.1 inches, because I've got a Surface Pro 3 tablet, and I think it's 12 inches, and that looks significantly bigger than this for some reason, but that's more like a laptop anyways, to be fair. This is just a tablet with a pen. I'm going to do an unboxing of the pen as well when I get it. So that's it. Not been opened, not been wrapped. I couldn't wait, just to let you know. So there we go. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to do a full review later on anyways, but today I'm just doing an unboxing. There it is, all in its glory. Empty box, nothing in there, just here, just normal stuff, nothing down here. There, and then you take it out. So I'm going to put the tablet aside first and see what's in the box. So what we have in the box here are all the manuals in here. Oh, is it? Yeah, we've got the manuals in here and the charging port. I think it uses just open this. I've got my warranty card, something basically no one would ever read. So it uses a USB Type-C charging cable, so that's really good. And we've got the charger here. And by the way, if you want to know specs for, like, battery capacity or things like that, you can watch all the videos. It's probably there anyways at some point, but like I said, I'm going to go through that in the full review. Now I'm just doing an unboxing, first impression, and I'm going to take it out here. Like I said, I bought this from Argos right here in UK. It's meant to work with a pen. Look at it, it is so pretty. It is really pretty. I mean, the camera at the front. So at the top here, yeah, this is the top, isn't it? Yeah. So at the top here, we have the speakers. Up here, speakers. I'm not sure what those tiny other holes are, if you can see it. Yeah. We've got the speakers. We've got, I think I must have mistakenly turned it on now. No, there we are. It says here Huawei, the front-facing camera. And at the back, we've got the logo. Huawei Technologies, Haman Kadon written on there. Let's see if I can focus on this. It's not letting me do that, but basically it's not very important there anyways. So on the, which is the bottom, on the right hand side, from this side, we have the power button, volume rocker, and on the left hand side we have, on the right hand side, yeah, we have power button, volume rocker. I'm just going to try and change the lens. There we are. So we have the power button and volume rocker here. And on the other side, we have the, let me go, yeah. My lighting is so terrible. I'm just an amateur, to be fair. Sorry for that. So we have the headphone jack, the port for USB Type-C, and the here I believe is the here I believe is the micro SD. The micro SD goes in there. Why is my camera not focusing? There we are. So it's the micro SD here. There we have it. And at the bottom we have more speakers. Isn't that brilliant? So I'm expecting the sound quality to be good because I checked all the videos and it was really good. So when I get the what's it called, the pen, I'm also going to do a review and see how it works with it, because one of the main reasons I got this tablet is no other reason but the pen. I just wanted to have a good, I always like anything with a pen. That's why I got the Surface Pro, and now I've got this. So I'm just going to power this on now, and hopefully I've done it right. Hopefully it's got some juice in it. It should have some juice in it. So okay, I'm going to try again, power it on for the first time. There we are. I've got the vibration, the Huawei, powered by Android. I'm not really sure what it runs by, what Snapdragon is in there, but like I said, I'm gonna do the full review. This is just a quick unboxing, show you what it looks like, and boom. I think it's so pretty. I mean, the quality on the back, it's just so amazing. Camera. So I'm gonna run through the specs in the when I'm doing my full review, let you know how it goes. This is just quick unboxing, like I said before. I'm gonna pause this free of the wait because it looks like it's taking a long time. It runs EMUI. There we are. I'm just gonna put my details in and I'm gonna come back. All right, after like 2 days, I finally got it in and I got it working. So I haven't clicked on any of the apps just yet. It's still all first time for me, first time everyone. And I wanted you guys to have the experience with me. Oh God, what just happened now? Well, I think it's low battery, so, oh no, it's not low battery. I don't know why that went off actually. What did I press? I have no idea. So I'm gonna do figure out how to do it at some point and get back to you guys anyway. So like I said, you can use the stylus for this app. I mean for this tablet. So it already has pre-installed applications. Yeah. Oh, what am I clicking? I am obviously not used to this. So it does have pre-installed apps for stylus. So the matte one, I don't know what that is, but once I get the stylus, I'm going to show it you because I believe that's one of the main reasons people would buy this anyways. I'm not going to use it for anything very hard, maybe a bit of editing, because I do some editing for my app, as you all know, my Just Talk app, and you can add some more. And I don't know why it has bookings.com as a pre-installed app. It has a couple of pre-installed apps. I'm going to remove that at some point. Probably going to remove Facebook. Yeah, I'm probably going to remove all the games. Oh, Ultimate Spider-Man. I might leave that in there. I don't know what that is. Probably going to remove most of it. Maybe not Netflix. It has Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Brilliant pre-installed games. I like it. Notepad, files, game suit. I mean, it's so nice and it looks so brilliant to me, to be fair. It's pretty. I must say, it is really pretty. So yeah, this is just my quick unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please stick around for more review. I'm only doing this review because there's so few, or there's only one or two in English about Huawei. So I thought I'd do a review and just let you guys know how it looks. So yeah, so excited. I'm gonna crack on, use it, and that'll be it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.